So for pretty much beginners, having a safe speed, it's much
uko gear ya kupanda.
Yeah, it's much safer than going to high speed. So the first thing you need to consider while dropping such is position your body. For instance, if I'm dropping at such gradient, I can't put my weight in front or else I'm gonna flip. So I'll do the opposite. I'll put my weight behind to get the traction as opposed to flip over. So I'm just leaning, you can see with my torso behind, with my whole hips all the way back of the seat, and it's safe and sound, just going through safe and sure. Weight in front. I find this a bit slower. If you're in a race, like you're really winning for the money prize, simply just put the bike behind your back and you're in a hiking position. So you can literally even run. That happens only with the race. So this is almost to a slip step. This is such a method comes in handy. But now, with the SPD it's quite tricky because it's plastic. So high chances you might drop in the water.